So what are some of the really exciting things that are happening at your organization that CAPE is advancing you think are quite relevant to all the work happening at COP27 and elsewhere?
Well, it's been a stunning growth for CAPE over the last 2 years. We've gone from literally having one staff to 15 today, and that's in like 2.5 years, which is incredible to contemplate. We actually had an announcement today, which is really exciting for the organization. In June, we launched a fossil fuel ad ban campaign, basically using the analogy of cigarettes and how cigarette ad bans was really important in decreasing the social acceptability of that product. We have an analogous campaign saying that we should be advertising fossil fuels, and we need government regulations for that. As a component of that campaign, the organization filed a Competition Bureau complaint against the natural gas lobby that said that they had these advertisements saying, the gas is clean, switch to gas because it's the clean solution. And we challenge that because burning natural gas is not clean. There's no way it's clean, not only from an air pollution perspective, but of course from a GHG perspective. So we had that accepted by the Competition Bureau, and we announced that today. So that's one of the exciting things that's happening. There's so much.
Are there some final words about what we should be looking for from COP27? What do you think we might see on the health and health system front coming out of COP27? Or what are you hoping for?
We're looking for some really strong financial commitments around loss and damage. We know that health systems get taken out by storms. We know that water systems get polluted. And of course, lower and middle income countries who have done the least to cause the problem are experiencing the worst impact. We saw those floods in Pakistan recently. I mean, as a high income country, we're lucky Minister Vipond has been a bit of a champion at the high income country level of loss and damage. So I would love to see it made a permanent agenda item to have a financing facility that is able to distribute funds with attention to healthcare facilities. What we need to see in Canada, I think, is a secretariat to help us coordinate work with the provinces and territories and the attached unit so that we're taking information from international bodies like the NHS and working together to make sure it's spread across Canada again so people aren't reinventing the wheel. So that's what I'll be working on both here and when we come home, and with you, Fiona, with everybody at Cascades and everybody in Canada.
Great. Joe, any final thoughts for us?
As I said, I'm the mentee, so I'm learning what this is all about. I know that there's going to be next week. I'm going to be kind of here by myself. A lot of the crew is all leaving, and there's going to be, I think, more Powering Past Cool events going on next week, and hopefully I can assist in, maybe sharing some of the nuggets that help us get 3 different coal phase-out campaigns over the line. So, that's what I hope to.
It's nice to have company.
Great. Thank you so very much. It's wonderful to chat with you both. Thank you so much for all the work that you're doing. Thank you to CAPE for having such a powerful delegation at COP27. Talk to you soon.